guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Team Bakes, where I bake. So today we're going to be making Brookies 50% chocolate chip cookies and 50% brownies and 100% deliciousness. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down what I should bake next. So before we start, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, so starting with our brownie batter, you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of melted butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of chocolate chips. Okay, now get your bowl, and then you're going to want to pour in your flour, your sugar, your cocoa powder, your baking soda, and your salt. Then you're just going to want to whisk that all up together. Also, try and make sure that there's no clumps from your cocoa powder or baking soda. Then you will add your melted butter, your vanilla extract, and your egg. Then using your hand mixer, mix that all up on a medium speed. And also just scrape down the sides when needed. So when you start mixing your batter, you'll notice that it is very powdery and very dry, but just know that this is how it's supposed to look like and that you're on the right track. Once you feel like you're done mixing, you can then add your chocolate chips into the batter and just fold that in using your mixing spoon. Once your chocolate chips are incorporated with your brownie, then you can get your baking pan and just grease it all around. Then you can get your brownie and add it onto your pan. And since this is the base of our brookie, you're then just going to want to spread it out evenly. I then thought that just using my hands would make this process a whole lot easier, and it did, so guys, just go in. I then finally managed to spread my batter all around the pan, and now we can just go on to our cookie dough. So now for our cookie dough, you're going to need 1 1/3 cup of flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 113 grams of melted butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now get your bowl, and if your bowl isn't that dirty from your brownie, then you can just use the same bowl. Then add in your flour, your sugars, your baking soda, and also add your salt. It's not shown on the camera, but I did do so. And just whisk it all up. Then add in your melted butter, your vanilla extract, and your egg. As you can see, the steps are pretty similar to making the brownie batter, except we don't have cocoa powder in this. Then you will get your hand mixer and just mix that on a medium speed. Just like the brownie batter, the cookie dough will seem a little powdery and dry at first, but this is fine and you are on the right track. Once you're done mixing in the cookie dough, you can then add in your chocolate chips. And of course you can just sneak a little more in there. You can then fold this in. I decided to use my hand mixer because I felt as though it wasn't mixed enough. So I just used my hand mixer and then folded it in afterwards. Once you're done mixing all that up, then you can bring back your brownie. You can then get a spoon and just scoop some of the cookie dough and put it onto the brownie layer. And then once all of your cookie dough is on your brownie, then you can just use your spoon or your hands to flatten the cookie dough and just make another layer with that. Okay, so I tried my best. So since I still had some chocolate chips left in my bowl, I just added those on top and just tried to spread them evenly. And now that we've done this, our pan is ready to go into the oven. Alright. You can bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. If you want a more gooey texture inside, then 25 minutes, and yeah. Okay, so my brookies are finally done baking, and now we can just put them in an area where they can just cool off. So the brookies have cooled off, and now we can just cut them into cookie bars. But then my camera died. But they were so good. The crunchy top of the cookie and the soft bottom part of the brownie matched together was just so delicious. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and just tell me what I should bake next in the comment section. Thanks for watching.